Hi, this is Mary Cannizzaro. I'm demoing the final step in the pattern stars 1, 2, 3, and it is a Y seam. So we have taken the construction as far as the pattern indicates right before the Y seam. There's a section that is an L and then a section that is going to be placed inside that L. When you have done the vertical seam on the last section, you have stopped sewing 1/4 of an inch from the end, and this is indicated in the pattern. Now we're going to pin this piece on and sew. Before you start sewing, if you place a dot 1/4 of an inch down and 1/4 of an inch in, and that indicates where you will stop your sewing line. I'm just going to put a few pins in. When you do it, please put in as many as necessary. And I'll just sew the last section just to show you exactly what has to happen. So you flip this part over so that you can match up that dot with the section above it. So you take your 1/4 inch seam, and this is the section that has come down. There's my dot. So I'm aiming right for that dot and backstitch from there to secure it. Then you would press that seam opened. There's that seam, and it's now there. You now turn the other 2 seams that need to be put together and just take a little time to get it lined up. But it becomes very obvious that those 2 sections, there's my dot, there's where I stopped sewing the last vertical seam. And now you start, and I will back up to the dot now to secure it, and stitch to the end. You can see where the stitches meet the dot, and on that side the seam. So let's open it up and let's see what that little Y seam looks like when it's completed. This is the section that we've just sewn together, and you'll press that and press it open, and your quilt will be finished. Thank you.